Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to quick trading recap. So yeah, I decided to record all my trading recap journey and upload it all to YouTube, just like TGR. And by the way, I'm using TGR strategy. So yeah, just so you know, what all my trade bets off, which is basically just liquidity sweep of market open, all of that kind of stuff. Maybe you will see it later on, or maybe you can just watch his video. There's so much in YouTube. So yeah, today I took a loss and yesterday I took a win, but I don't record about it because I didn't think about it yesterday. But I took a win yesterday, which I got violation from my prop firm, which is funded next, because there is consistency rule on funded next that I don't know. I thought that 40% consistency rule is like 40% win rate, but it's actually like the maximum percentage of my profit for the day. So for example, if I'm using 25,000 account, the profit target will be $1,250, and 40% of $1,250 is $500. So I cannot exceed above for $500. That's why on my trader fate I actually set daily profit trigger, so when I already achieve $500 on my profit, then it will automatically close my position. So that's a good thing. So okay, let's just move on and start talking about the trade that I took today. So yeah, again, TGR already upload about this recap also, and that's also where I know what my mistake is. So basically, TGR saw this bullish SMT on NQ, but I didn't, so that's why my bias was bearish. As you can see here, my first bias in the first place is bearish because on ES, as you can see, ES and NQ doing the same thing, which is sweep this Asian high on London session. And TGR strategy is if reversation, manipulation, and then reversal, then on new session open will be continuation of that manipulation on the previous session. So that's why I'm just looking for manipulation on low time frame when market open. But again, I also didn't follow my own rule here. Because what? Because I'm entering off sell limit of this fair value gap. And then my stop loss at the fair value gap body candle, and my take profit is down here. And when I took a trade, it's like probably like price touch it and then go down like this, and I should have took a partial here, but I didn't because I didn't know that I can just click on close position and then there will be window and there will be option about partial close, but I didn't know about that, so I didn't do it because I didn't know about that, of course. So yeah, I'm ending up not taking any partial, and then price goes to my stop loss, and yeah, I lost 1% today, around $250. So yeah, what I should have done in the first place is if I saw this bullish SMT on NQ, what I should have done is, as you can see here, market open at 20:30, which is 8:30 p.m. my time, which is Indonesian time. So as you can see here, market open, price immediately dumped to the downside and then sweeping all this low resistant liquidity. And then after that, we have this inverse gap. And then as you can see here, because we don't have any fair value gap, we are using equilibrium. Sorry. So because we don't have any fair value gap, we are using equilibrium as our continuation entry. So you can see price at equilibrium, we can go to 1 minute and then look for breakout structure, which is confirmation confluence of the equilibrium here. Where do we get our breakout structure? Here at 2057. We got our breakout structure here, but I should have entering on NQ, because in this case ES is the lagging index and NQ is the leading index, because he's leading for bullish here. So yeah, basically we taking a trade on NQ because NQ is the leading index and ES is the lagging index. I mean, you guys probably know about that already. So yeah, the confirmation that we have on ES is at 2057. So I'm probably entering trade also on 2057 here on 1 minute of this up close candle, and my stop loss probably going to be based off 5 minute. I'm probably going to put my stop loss at this body candle, and my take profit will be all the way this high, 1.2.3 risk reward ratio here, but I didn't took it and ending up having a loss because my eyes didn't see the SMT divergence here. So yeah, it is what it is. I mean, this is a good thing about TGR is uploading his trade recap, so I know my mistake. Yeah, this is basically the trade that I should have taken in the first place, but I didn't. So yeah, I mean, I still can also still trading on ES of this bullish direction of this equilibrium also, or even the breakout structure. But again, it's not ideal because ES is the lagging index and the leading index is NQ. So I probably need to take a trade on NQ because that's the leading index that to the direction that we want. So yeah, that's why we took the trade off on NQ, but I didn't anyway because again I didn't see the SMT divergence. So yeah, that's it. We'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow there is Fat Powell speaks, but it's 7:30 and it's orange folder. There's also unemployment claims. Yeah, we'll see because U.S. government is closed right now. It's tentative, so we don't really know where will it come out. So yeah, we'll see. But I will be entering trade if I get my setup. But if I don't and the move already made, then yeah, we'll see. Okay, peace out. I will recording about this again tomorrow and see if I can get a win tomorrow. Peace out.